Hello to all dear friends, dear engineers. Thank you very much for your attention to my presentation. In this time I'm going to present Multisuite software. Multisuite has a three module: multi-steel, multi-offshore and MultiRebar. What is MultiRebar? MultiRebar harnesses the power of AutoCAD in a new way, providing an interactive detailing system with a high degree of flexibility and drafting freedom, and taking detailing productivity to a new level. MultiRebar is the most complete concrete detailing and scheduling environment for civil and structural design offices. Why we are using MultiRebar and why MultiRebar using as internationally in the worldwide? The software is not limited by national boundaries or codes. It means we have a different codes in MultiRebar. It's used worldwide, configured to a local detailing standards. Detailing can be carried out to British code BS 4466 and BS 8666 and a number of international detailing codes. All relevant ACI and ASTM standards are supported. The system can operate in metric or US imperial units. Drawing bars. Drawing bars with MultiRebar could not be simpler. Bars are drawn in a similar way to drawing an AutoCAD line, with bars automatically snapping inside predefined cover lines. No complex procedure are involved. AutoCAD lines and polylines can be formed into intelligent bars, allowing existing CAD drawing to be converted easily. It means if you are drawing line, polyline, you can assign the rebar to the line and polyline, and it generates the rebar. Bars are checked for code compliance as they are drawing, ensuring correct and accurate detailing and scheduling. Automatic schedules with weight summary. In MultiRebar, scheduling is an integral part of the drawing process. The schedules are created entirely within your AutoCAD drawing and can be printed as a separate sheets or plotted on the drawing. Bar dimension, cut lengths, quantities, and weightings are calculated within the drawing instantly, allowing schedules to be produced in minutes instead of hours. We can use bar shape library. Use bar shapes SC99 can be defined within minutes. Once defined, all users on the network can use the shape. These appear as a small thumbnail dimensional sketch on the schedule in the traditional way. Also, we can export directly to bar bending. Bar information from MultiRebar drawings can also be exported to popular estimating and production systems at the press of a button. This removes the need to re-enter bar dimension information, saving time and eliminating errors. Produce bar list in a minute, not hours. It means we can generate bar list very fastly, and we don't need to take our time to generate a list of the bar for hours. I hope my presentation cover all the data and the inquiry of the engineer requirement, and if you have any question, you can comment on my presentation, or you can drop an email. Thank you very much for your attention.